This is a training module on the Honeywell current sensors. Welcome to the training module on the Honeywell current sensor. This training module introduces different types and features of a current sensor and its applications. Honeywell offers a wide variety of current sensors to monitor alternating AC or direct DC current, from digital output detectors sensing a few hundred milliamps to linear sensors monitoring over 1,000 amps. Honeywell's line provides superior performance at a reduced cost. It has been categorized in three types of current sensors: digital inductive current sensors, closed-loop current sensors, and open-loop current sensors. When any of these three sensors detect predetermined signals, the system then performs the designated task. For instance, the digital signal's logic level output may sound an alarm, start a motor, or open a valve. This page gives you information about a digital inductive current sensor. It uses feedback control and provides output proportional to measured current. And it also has high accuracy and linearity, fast response, low temperature drift, and its output is relatively immune to electrical noise. This page explains about the CSDA series digital inductive current sensors. These current sensors produce a digital logic level output when the current being sensed reaches a predetermined level. The output will then change state. Its output voltage is isolated from the input. It has a 40 milliamp current sinking output. Its major application areas include motor overload protection, monitoring system, power loss detection. The CSDA series digital current sensor specifies a 0.25 amp to 1 amp operating current. It has through-hole design, logic level sinking output, and operates on AC or DC current. The pinout style is a 1 PCB pin. This page gives you further information about a closed-loop current sensor. It has around 15 series of subcategory products, which is presented in further slides. It can sense current up to 1,275 amps. It is available in inline or through-hole design. It has reduced overshoot and has high overload capability. This closed-loop current is the output from the device and presents an image of the primary current reduced by the number of secondary turns. Closed-loop current sensors measure AC, DC, and impulse currents over 0 to 25 amps, 0 to 50 amps, 0 to 100 amps, 0 to 600 amps, and 0 to 1,200 amp ranges. The CSN series is based on the principles of the Hall effect and the null balance or zero magnetic flux method feedback system. Here we show features of the CSNX and the CSNA and the CSNF series closed-loop current sensors. The CSN series closed-loop current sensor measures AC, DC, or impulse current at 50 amps nominal plus or minus 70 amp range, has 1,000 turns, and the CSN series MR current sensor builds on patented Honeywell technology to offer superior performance and accuracy in current measuring applications. This page shows the features of the CSNB, the CSNC, and CSNE series closed-loop current sensors. The features include sense current range, supported current type AC to DC output form, number of coil turns, the response time, accuracy, mounting type, and supply voltage. This current sensor utilizes an ASIC and a magnetic sensor to provide extremely low offset drift with temperature, resulting in stable, repeatable, and accurate measurement. Here we have shown features of the CSNG, CSNJ, and CSNK series closed-loop current sensors. The CSN series closed-loop current sensor measures AC, DC, or impulse current at 50 amp nominal plus or minus 70 amp range and 1000 turn. The sensor operates from plus 5 volt unipolar supplies and has an accessible internal 2.5 volt voltage reference. These new industrial current sensors extend Honeywell's closed-loop current sensing capability. They offer increased current measuring capabilities of up to 1000 amps over an extended temperature range of minus 40 degrees C to 85 degrees C and are available with different terminal options. The sensors are closed-loop devices based on the principle of the Hall effect and null balance method. The output from the current sensor is the balancing current, which is a perfect image of the primary current reduced by the number of secondary turns at any time. This current can be expressed as a voltage by passing it through a resistor. Here we show the general features of open-loop current sensors. It consumes low power. It has a high level of electrical isolation between the primary and secondary circuits. Here we show features of an open-loop current sensor, the CSCA, the CSLA, and the CSLH series. The CSCA-A series Hall effect based open-loop current sensor has a Molex type connector, 50 amp RMS nominal plus and minus 150 amp range. It has linear output, operates at AC or DC currents, has a through-hole design, enhanced response time, output voltage isolation from the input, minimum energy dissipation, maximum current limited only by conductor size. Also, it has adjustable performance and built-in temperature compensation and assures reliable operation. This page gives you information about open-loop current sensors CSLS, CSLT, CSLW. The CSL series miniature open-loop current sensors have a spec of 60 amps, can sync or source on the output. They are through-hole. They operate on AC or DC current. They are bottom mount. The sensing type can be AC or DC currents. It has a linear ratio metric output, no insertion loss, enhanced response time, compact size for applications with limited space. It has enhanced accuracy, it's low-cost sensing, and minimum energy dissipation and maximum current limited only by conductor size.